All right. Here it is, December 19th, Thursday. Jeez, it's almost Christmas. We've got 6 more days before Santa comes down the chimney. So here's today's trade, but real quick before I get into that, I just want to remind you that the doors are closing. Remember Noah's Ark? Sort of like that. We got like 10 spots left for my end of the year special dealio where you get everything. And you get it forever. Forever. You know, the trainings, all the past, present, and future stuff that we're adding. We're going to be adding a ton of stuff this next year and into the future. You get lifetime access to the mastermind, the whole kit and caboodle, everything. But there's only a couple spots left as of right now, and there's going to go quick. So if you're interested in this, don't dilly-dally. Just reach out to me. Just click the link in the description. Go to that page, follow the instructions, or you can just email me. Just reach out to me directly. I'll leave my email address in the description below as well. Email me. Let me know you'd like to get in on this. I'll save you a spot, and we'll go from there. All right, so here's today's trade. Let's start off as a look ma. No. Look ma with hands. This is a look ma with hands trade started off today. And I've converted into this monstrosity, whatever you want to call this. This is like a, I guess you could call this a profit bomb. And right now, with 10 minutes left, we're trading right here. If we can land in this area, we got a pretty good profit. We got like 800. Let's see. The peak of this guy right here is 1,000-ish, 1,060. This little canyon right here is 750, about 750. So between 750 to 1,000, if we can land in this general area in the next 9 minutes. We have sort of a hedge position, but we don't want to go over this cliff here. Even with that hedge on right there, it could be problematic as we get into the last couple of minutes on this trade. So stay far away from there. Don't even look up there. So let me put the pin music on. This is, you know, the drill. Put that pin music on, see if it could help us get the most profit out of these. Take it into the close. Let's see let's make a guess where this thing's gonna pin at. I would think it would pin at 5,900, but we've moved quite a bit away from that. So maybe 5,870. Probably since that's where that valley is right there. 5,850 maybe. Let's see. What if we were to? Let's see what this would look like if we were to take this off. This hedge off. Oh, we could make up to 1,600 there. 1,100. So that's always a possibility. Let's see. $725. So we could do that, or we could just roll the dice and see if we can hit one of these peaks. 1,100-ish. So I'm just, for the time being, I'm going to go into the close with this. See what we can get out of this. I mean, even the valley there, that's like 750, 800. That's still a remarkably good return. 1 day return on on about $1,000 of risk, but technically $1,000 of risk. Realistically, maybe like 700-ish. The way this thing was hedged and the way that it moved throughout the day. We're getting kind of a move down here. We got 7 minutes left. We're trading at 5,870 now. Right in that valley, which is where we don't want to be. I mean, it's okay, but I'd much rather have this. 1,100 at that peak. 1,000 at that peak. 1,100 at that peak. So yeah, let's just go down in here. That's cool. I can dig that. So we have 7 minutes. Let's just chill out here and see what the market gives us. See if we can go to steak today instead of that Taco Bell. I'm just gonna let this sit here and work for a second. I gotta go run. I gotta do something real quick. I'll be right back. I gotta go see a man about a dog. Okay, let's see how we're doing. We got the red clock going now, 4 minutes and 15 seconds. Ooh, we're kind of edging our way back to the... You stay away from that cliff now, you hear? That'll not be good. This peak is fine. We just don't want to like land down here, man. Come on now. That's a pretty steep, that's a steep cliff that we don't want to be around. We want to stay far away from that. Okay, we got 3 minutes left. I think we're looking good. It's looking nice. Okay, 2 minutes. We got 2 minutes left. I'm going to turn this pink line off so it's not so distracting. Come on. Okay, there we go. One minute, 20 seconds. So we might be pinning at 58.70. I'd rather pin at 58.60 or 58.65 even, or even 58.75. Isn't that weird? It just has to like, even though it's a nice profit, it still has to like give us the worst possible profit. Those damn market makers. more. Go down a little bit. Yeah, that's right. That's right. There you go. I like that. I like it a lot. Okay, this is looking good. We got 30 seconds left. Maybe we could wind up right here. I'd dig that. 850 bucks. That's a steak for lunch. We got 19 seconds. Eight seconds. Here we go. The countdown. 3, 2, 1. Nice. Oh, wow. Is that right? Is that right? Is that right? Okay, let's see. 800 plus profit for today. I can dig that. All right, so that's it for this one. If you'd like to follow along with these trades or a bunch of other trades just like them, make sure you're subscribed to this YouTube channel. Also, join us. The doors are beginning to close on my end of the year dealio, where you get access to everything forever. Forever. Including the exact way how to trade this trade and manage it. Our new Boomer and Son project, where we have a brand new fandangled system that's kicking butt right now, and everything else I got. Mikasa Sukasa. Come on in. The water's warm. So to take advantage of that, as of right now, there's only 10 spots left. So if you want to get in on this, click the link in the description below. Head on over there. Just follow the instructions on that page. After you do that, I'll get back to you and we'll go from there. All right. See you tomorrow.